This isn't just a 1962 Chevy, it's a fire-breathing 409 bubble top worth over $100,000, and it might be the coolest full-size muscle car ever built. In the golden age of American performance, before the muscle car wars reached their peak and before horsepower became a nationwide obsession, there was a machine that quietly established itself as a legend. A car that blended elegance, power, and unmistakable presence into one unforgettable package. This is the 1962 Chevrolet Bel Air Bubble Top 409, finished in a stunning deep red exterior and paired with a beautifully restored red interior. This iconic Chevrolet represents everything enthusiasts love about early 1960s American performance. It is bold without being flashy, powerful without being complicated. And more than 60 years after it first rolled onto American roads, it continues to command attention everywhere it goes. At first glance, the unmistakable bubble-top roofline steals the show. The sleek, pillarless design gives the car a flowing silhouette unlike anything else from its era. The curved roof appears almost weightless as it sweeps gracefully into the rear glass, creating one of the most beautiful profiles Chevrolet ever produced. Walk around this Bel Air and you'll immediately notice the quality of the restoration. The deep red paint glows under the light, highlighting every curve, contour, and character line. The body panels flow smoothly from front to rear, while the chrome trim and brightwork sparkle against the rich paint finish. From the gleaming grille to the polished rear trim, every detail contributes to a presentation that feels both authentic and premium. And then there are the wheels. Factory-style 15-inch steel wheels wearing classic dog dish center caps remind you that this car was built during an era when performance didn't need flashy accessories. The look is clean, purposeful, and timeless. But as beautiful as the exterior may be, everyone knows the real story begins beneath the hood. Lift it open, and you're greeted by one of the most celebrated engines in Chevrolet history. The legendary 409 cubic inch V8. This particular engine has been rebuilt and has traveled less than 2,000 miles since completion. The engine bay itself is exceptionally clean and detailed, showcasing the mechanical centerpiece that made the 409 a household name among performance enthusiasts. Long before massive horsepower figures became common, the 409 established itself as one of America's most respected big block engines. Its reputation was built on brutal torque, thrilling acceleration, and a sound that could send chills down the spine of any car enthusiast. Turn the key, the V8 comes to life with a deep, commanding rumble, not overly aggressive, not artificial, just pure American muscle. Every pulse through the exhaust reminds you that this machine was built during a time when performance was measured by feel, sound, and emotion. Backing the legendary engine is a Borg-Warner T10 4-speed manual transmission. For driving enthusiasts, this is where the magic truly happens. Every gear change creates a direct connection between driver and machine. There's no computer deciding what happens next. No electronic filter between you and the road, just your hand, the shifter, and a powerful V8 waiting for instructions. Sending power to the pavement is a 373 rear gear setup featuring Yukon gears, supported by documented receipts included with the vehicle. The gearing strikes an ideal balance between spirited acceleration and enjoyable cruising. Press the throttle. The nose rises slightly, the rear digs in, and the 409 delivers the kind of torque that made these cars famous. It's an experience modern vehicles simply cannot duplicate. Yet despite its classic performance character, this Bel Air has been thoughtfully upgraded for modern enjoyment. Power steering transforms maneuverability, making the car remarkably easy to drive despite its substantial size. Power front disc brakes provide increased stopping confidence while maintaining the classic driving experience. Combined with power rear drums, the braking system offers improved control and safety for today's roads, and perhaps perhaps one of the most appreciated upgrades of all, ice-cold R134A air conditioning. Because while vintage muscle is exciting, being comfortable during a summer cruise makes the experience even better. Step inside and the cabin continues the story. The restored red vinyl bench seat immediately captures attention. Rich, vibrant, and period correct in appearance, it creates a warm and inviting atmosphere that perfectly complements the exterior color. The dashboard reflects Chevrolet's elegant early 1960s design philosophy. Clean lines, tasteful chrome accents, and classic instrumentation establish a feeling of authenticity that modern interiors often struggle to replicate. Additional aftermarket gauges provide enhanced monitoring while maintaining a tasteful appearance, and the retro-style radio preserves the vintage aesthetic. Everything feels intentional. Everything feels correct. Everything feels like a celebration of a remarkable era in automotive history. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of this Bel Air is how it balances restoration and usability. Many classic cars become museum pieces. Others become heavily modified machines that lose their original identity. This Chevrolet finds the sweet spot between those two extremes. It remains unmistakably a 1962 Bel Air Bubble top, preserving the character and spirit that made it legendary while incorporating select upgrades that enhance the ownership experience. And that's exactly why collectors continue to pursue cars like this. The bubble top body style alone places this Chevrolet among the most desirable full-size classics ever produced. Add a rebuilt 409 V8, add a Borg-Warner 4-speed, add the red-on-red color combination. Add power steering, upgraded brakes, air conditioning, restoration work, and supporting documentation. Suddenly, you're looking at a car that checks nearly every box enthusiasts dream about. It's a machine that appeals to collectors, investors, showgoers, and drivers alike. A car that looks spectacular parked under showroom lights. A car that turns heads at every cruise night. And a car that still delivers genuine excitement every time the ignition key turns. With an asking price of $109,995, this 1962 Chevrolet Bel Air Bubble Top 409 stands as a rolling piece of American automotive history. A symbol of Chevrolet's performance heritage, a tribute to the golden age of American V8 power, and a reminder that some legends never fade. They simply get louder every time the throttle opens.